For today's video, we will show you how to create Remitly account in the Philippines. So let's begin. Now I'm here at remitly.com, and for us to be able to create an account, we need to sign up right here. So here, we have to choose the Philippines account. We need to enter a valid and or working email address, a unique and strong password, and of course, by joining in, you are agreeing to the terms and services, all right? Or the next method is simply go down below, download it on your mobile device, get it on Google Play Store for Android devices, or for iOS devices, go to App Store, right? And once you've done that, log in using your credentials, and you will be able to sign up for Remitly in the Philippines. Now, for some reason you are having problems during the whole navigation process, I suggest you go here at help.remitly.com, and here you can find some informational page wherein you can sign up for Remitly if you're having problems, or simply you need to contact the Remitly support and tell them your situation and that you are having problems creating your account here on Remitly. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.